The last time we've had this much ice and this cold of weather was actually back in 2014 and 2015. So, nearly 10 years ago we were sitting on this much ice, and right now, we've had tons of cold weather here. It's 2 degrees out here. The ice range out here from 6 all the way up to 15, 16 inches right now. This is a giant body of water. It has tons of wind on it. There's times that you should go on this ice, times that you shouldn't, and a couple different safety things that you can do. With this lake being so big, you really have to watch the wind here. A bad wind for this lake is anytime that it blows like south or southwest, because it wants to move the ice to the north. And if we have open water to the north, or if we have ice breakers that are breaking the ice for the freighters, that ice that we're sitting on has room to move. On the flip side of that, if it's blowing northwest, north, it's a great time to go because a lot of those cracks are going to stay tight and the wind's just pushing all of this ice back into our mainland, so it's a good time to go. One tip for you for sure, a lot of people know this, but bring a spud bar. A spud bar is a great tool to check the ice. We're taking side-by-sides, four-wheelers, snowmobiles, airboats, stuff like that. It takes 2 minutes to get off your machine and go check that crack that you're going to go over. Another safety thing that you can have is ice picks. If you ever happen to go in the water, ice picks will help you get pulled out of the water. But just a few different safety things. The wind is the biggest thing here for sure. Safety is everything out here. I don't want to see anyone going for a swim.